Oh no! The head has come off my dad's 6-iron that was only fixed a couple of months ago. The useless shop that fixed it cannot redo it for 7 days and Dad needs it Monday, so it's do-it-yourself time. We can clearly see that there is a distinct lack of glue inside the hosel and on the shaft. Now it's time to clean it up, and my dad uses his cordless drill and a rotary wire bit. We also cleaned up the shaft, getting rid of old flaky glue, but didn't video this stage. Now my dad is checking for full engagement of the shaft into the hosel, and what do you know? We have full engagement. Because the grip is new, my dad has to ensure the correct alignment to the head, so uses some masking tape and a pen to pre-align, and the tape will also make it easier to clean up any epoxy overspill. This super steel epoxy weld fixed my dad's Ferrari, so should be good enough for the club. Now it's time to mix equal measures of each tube, where one is the main constituent and the other the hardener. My dad mixes more than enough because that would be silly if we didn't have enough. Now it's time to mix the two together, ensuring it is fully mixed so it cures rock hard. My dad is now filling the hosel full of epoxy and fully covering the shaft so that the risk of voids is eliminated. My dad puts the shaft into the hosel using a rotary action so as not to push the epoxy out. Now the two parts are fully together. It's time to clean up the epoxy that has oozed out. So it's all together and cleaned up and looks like a great job. My dad will leave it 2 days to fully cure, and if we don't make a part 2 of this video, then it was successful. We hope this helps others, so thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.